Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making lasagna. Make sure you wash your hands properly.
We've washed our hands, we have our aprons on, got our hair tied back, we're ready to go. To make the lasagna, we need
oil, garlic, onion, cheese, lasagna pasta, sauce.
To make our lasagna healthier, we are using corn, which is a substitute of mincemeat, but you can use any mincemeat you like. And a jar of white lasagna sauce. My assistant Ollie has introduced the ingredients. Let me introduce the equipment. We need a chopping board and a sharp knife, a teaspoon, a wooden spoon for stirring, a frying pan, a rectangular oven dish, and a cheese grater if you've got the cheese in a block. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees. Peel the garlic and onion and chop them as small as you can. Use the claw grip to slice the onion as small as you can. And then dice it.
I've put 2 tablespoons of oil on the frying pan and now I'm going to heat it up.
Add the onion and garlic into the frying pan and cook for 2 minutes until the onion starts to soften.
I can't see.
There you go. Oh, oops. It's splash. Careful. Thank you.
It's boiling.
Yeah, it's starting to cook. When the onion starts to brown, add the corn and cook for about 10 minutes. Once the mince is cooked through, so for corn heated through and for mincemeat nice and brown all around, add the red sauce and mix well. We are ready to assemble our lasagna. We have the meat sauce ready, got our white sauce. If you would like to find out how to make your own, go to the end of the video. Otherwise, just prepare the jar. We've got lasagna sheets and the cheese. The lasagna will have 3 layers. To make it easier for myself, I have divided the sauce into 3 equal parts to help me with layering. Start with 1/3 of the meat sauce. Spread it nicely at the bottom of the dish. The bottom of the dish is nicely covered. Now we're going to put our pasta sheets on top. Just about 3 for this size of a dish. You may have a slightly bigger dish, you might need 4, and then it's okay to break it up and fill up the bits in the middle. Spoon about 1/3 of the sauce onto the lasagna sheets. This is our first layer done. Now repeat the steps: red sauce, pasta sheets, white sauce, twice more. We have got now 3 layers. To finish it off, we're going to sprinkle the cheese on top, and then the lasagna is ready to go in the oven. Sprinkle the cheese evenly all around, and it's ready to go in the oven. Bake for about 45 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and slightly brown on top. The timer has gone off, so we can have a look at our lasagna. Make sure you stand back to let the steam out. The cheese is nicely browned on top, it's ready to come out. And there we have it, simple homemade lasagna.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Bye bye! It's perfectly okay to use the sauce from the jar, but if you feel a little bit more adventurous, I'll show you how to make your own white sauce. Very simple, with just 3 ingredients. 50 grams of flour, 50 grams of butter, and 500 milliliters of milk. Melt the butter in a little saucepan and add the flour and cook for about 2 minutes. When the butter has melted, add the flour and whisk in properly, and then cook for about 2 minutes. The mix of flour and butter is called roux, and keep stirring. After about 2 minutes, you can see the flour is cooked. Add the milk bit by bit and keep stirring all the time, so you don't end up with any lumps. After you've added all the milk, cook the sauce for about 5 minutes until it thickens. The sauce is silky smooth and just the right consistency. At this stage you can add some salt and pepper if you like, or you can leave it like that.